New state data shows thousands of the most vulnerable residents in Minnesota have been the target of benefits thieves. Now, we're talking about people who rely on EBT cards for housing, food, and other public assistance.
Our Eric Chaloux joins us to explain what he's learned. Eric.
Yeah, Lindsay and Kevin, we first reported on the victims of EBT card skimming over the holidays last year. At the time, folks told us they went to use their benefit cards to feed their families, only to see someone else had stolen the money. So I asked the state for their latest data, only to see the crime has grown, striking more than 6,000 Minnesotans.
Very frustrating.
Ms. Scholes, a St. Paul mother, says her food benefits for her family were stolen from her EBT card.
It doesn't make sense that a government card can be skimmed. It shouldn't really be possible.
Ms. Scholes isn't alone. From January this year to November, Minnesota's Department of Children, Youth and Families data shows more than 6,000 residents have had more than $1.2 million in benefits stolen by criminals skimming cards. EBT cards lack a security chip, like other debit cards, that allows criminals to set up a device that can skim the info off the card when used at a terminal.
Many of these folks do not have another way to pay.
Sophia Linares-Coy, executive director of the Food Group, a New Hope-based food bank, says that leaves benefit theft victims looking elsewhere.
And go through a really cumbersome process of trying to get that money back on their account. So in the interim, they're needing to rely on food shelves.
She says more needs to be done to improve EBT card security.
So I think it is just this element of we have to continue to invest and innovate.
The State Department that oversees this wasn't able to do an interview, but sent a statement that reads in part, DCYF is actively working on ways to prevent recipients from being the victim of this type of theft. In the meantime, officials suggest EBT card users inspect the payment terminal before use to look for a skimming device, change their PIN often, turn on and off online and out-of-state transactions when not in use.
I think it requires action to keep it minimized.
State Senator Jim Abler, who sits on the Health and Human Services Committee, urges the department to do more.
My view is it's time for the governor and the department to think this matters and resolve it and bring us a recommendation.
It just doesn't make sense.
As for Ms. Scholes, she can't believe she was a victim.
Pretty sad that somebody would even steal from the poor.
Very cold crime. Now, the federal government replaces food benefits from those that are victimized by theft, including skimming. But on December 20th, that program ends. And the USDA told me that if Congress doesn't act, the states, meaning Minnesota, would instead have the option to continue reimbursing victims using state funds. Crime Spree will keep tracking for you. Kevin.
Okay, Eric Chaloux reporting.